Full send, just weld it like that. That would be your own Tomei right there. Guys, welcome back. Today we are working on the Civic today, and today is very exciting because we are going to finally try to get rid of this raspy exhaust on the Civic. Now, key word, I said attempt. Today we're at my dad's shop and we are with Blueberry Civic as always. You know what I'm saying? He brought his RSX today and hopefully we could get this thing done today. Now I'm not sure, we're not professional welders or anything like that, but we can attempt to. We are gonna be doing a custom exhaust setup because this car already has a whoa, it's like a little too bright. This car already actually has, I don't know if you can read that on the side, it actually says Spec D on it. So this is technically Amazon / eBay exhaust. It's not bad, but the thing is it sounds bad. Okay, shout out to PLM private label manufacturer. They have been the one that has been providing this muffler today. A nice burnt Turndown, and I feel like this would look really good. This is the 2.5. I didn't want to go anything crazy because right now I just want to tone down sound, and also we are going to be running a Vibrant Performance ultra quiet resonator. Hopefully this could quiet down the drone. This has a lot of drone. This car literally, when I cruise at 75 or 70, it starts to drone at 3K a lot. It only has 5 gears, so it can't quiet down any more than that. Hopefully those two setups should quiet down the whole system. This video is brought to you by PLM private label manufacturer. Shout out to them. If you guys want to check out their muffler setup that I'm about to do on this, please go check it out. I have the link down below. Now they have all kinds of stuff. They make K-series parts, D-series parts, B-series parts, H-series parts, all kinds of parts. Like you could do a full bolt-on setup, you go turbo setup, all kinds of stuff that is on their website. Make sure to go check them out. But without further ado, we are going to show you guys a quick before. As you can see, it sounds bad! Full send, just weld it like that. You think that would be your own Tomei right there? You think that'll look cool? Hell yeah. Alright, so we already have the car jacked up and everything. Look at this, this thing is dented. I do want to change the exhaust because it's starting to burn the lip a little bit, so I do want to take care of that. I think what we're going to do is probably cut this right here. And after we cut it right here, we are going to put on the PLM over there. I don't know if the vibrant exhaust is long enough because this resonator looks pretty long. Maybe cut here and then make an extra piping for it, or might leave this on here just to make it quieter, and we could try to find a different spot for this. We're going to try to cut this off first and then we're going to try to weld that on. All right. Alright, so the muffler is finally cut off. We were testing the new muffler, and as you can see, I don't think this thing is even alive anymore because literally it sounds so noisy. It sounds like nothing is even deadening the sound, so I don't think that muffler is even working anyways. But what we're going to do now, we're going to get those hangers off. But before we do, we're probably going to weld this up first. Luckily, I think this exhaust is smaller, so it actually sleeves in pretty well. We just need to weld this section right here, weld it up, and then we'll probably put on the hangers so that way we could put on this exhaust. You're probably wondering, do we know how to weld? Do we know how to weld?
I welded like once.
My dad's mask literally broke off, so we're just gonna probably use this, or what he's gonna do is probably use his good old double both stick from Shades. Hell yeah. First we are gonna try to tack weld this, see if we can line it up first, and then we'll fully weld it once it's done. As you can see, we finally got this PLM muffler welded on. As you can see, look at these beautiful welds. We tried our best. If it gets the job done, it gets the job done, and I'm pretty sure this thing won't leak. After an hour or two later, we finally got the exhaust on. As you can see, look at that. It's very subtle. It is a little bit crooked, but that's fine with me. We can always fix it down the road. We didn't put the vibrate resonator on because we might need more material. It might be for another day, but we did get rid of this. So we're gonna test out to see if this made a difference. Dude, it literally sounds like a B series. It's loud, but it sounds way better than it was. It definitely does look a lot better as well. Love that turn down, and maybe another day when we have time, we will put on this resonator. We're gonna hear this for the first time. Oh, shit! Yo, that sounds way better. That sounds way better now. Anyways, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think of the exhaust. I think that's the best it's gonna get as of a 4-banger. Obviously it doesn't sound like V6 or V8, but I think it sounds pretty damn good for a 4-cylinder. Big shout out to PLM. Thank you for sending this muffler out. If you guys are interested in the PLM muffler, make sure to check them down below. I'll have them down in the description. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed, and I know there's a notice of you in the video. There is a little bit of a slight rasp, but I think something will fix that very soon. You know, maybe a little spooling, but other than that, hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys next time in the next one.